It's late in the evening. She wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? Then I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We got a party and everyone turns to see the beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And she wonders if it is to you. Just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an ash in hand. So I give her the car keys, and she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, and I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Eric Clapton. Han är bra den gubben. He's a good man. Fan, ska det åska idag nu? Jag vet inte varför jag gillar sån här konstig musik är inte, men Roger Whittaker till exempel, han är ju så jävla bra den gubben. Och bra låtar gör han också. There's a ship lies ring. Fan, nu gick den låten nu då. There's a ship lying ready in a harbor tomorrow for all England, she says, far away from your land and the sunshine, to my land full of rainy skies and games. And I shall be on board the ship tomorrow, for my heart is full of tears and this farewell. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly, more dearly than she's spoken word can tell. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly, more dearly than spoken word can tell. I heard there's a wicked war blazing. The taste of war is known so very well. And now I see the foreign flag rising. La na 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 na. Na dai dai da 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 da. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly. No dearly than she spoken word can tell. For you are beautiful, and I have loved you dearly. No dearly than she spoken word can tell. Ja, Roger Whittaker är bra. I alla fall. När han sjunger. Ja, han är fin den låten. The Last Farewell heter han. Om vi hörde den här lite. Vad fan ska jag spela nu då? Eller ska jag spela något överhuvudtaget? Det kan man undra. Så fröken Flundra. Det var en båt som sa till en annan. Var du är stilig, vi borde varann. Gjorda för varann, köla lite grann, som bara båtar kan. Det gick ju bra. Och den andra båten sa klart att jag vill ha med dig och kyssa din lediga för i en stillsam. Sen när det blir lejon, det kan vi klä. Helvete vad det var bra idag. De här ackorderna. Det var i alla fall Robert Broberg, lite grann av Robert Broberg tyckte jag var. Om man nu kunde låten. Down, down, hot down, summer in the city, breaking on. Eric Clapton i alla fall, den gick ju ganska skapligt måste jag säga. Hello darkness my old friend, hello darkness all my friend. I've come to talk with you again, because of visions of me sleeping, left his side while I was sleeping, and the vision that we planted in my brain still remain without the sound of silence. Dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, near the halo of the street lamp, turning my collar to the column down, where my eyes were stabbed by flash of neon light, the split the night and I touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs the voice and never share another. The sound of silence. Fool said you do not know. Silence like a cancer grow. Hear me words and teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words like silent rain fall down of silence. Det går ju bra det här. Det är snart slut på låten. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the flashed on this morning in the verse that I was forming, in the sign said word of the prophet are written on the subway wall, the tenement hall, and whispered the sound of silence. La 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 da 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 da. Ja. Det var lite music. Åh jävlar vad det knakar. Morsning, korsning, goodbye music lovers.